Welded construction SOLIDWORKS. The detailed document are created from a sketch or a three-dimensional sketch. By activation the command from the drop-down menu Insert, submenu Weldments, activate the command Structural Members. Specify standard, type and size, and from the model tree select sketch 1, specify corner treatment and profile. On any field, any panel, click right mouse button and activate the panel weldments. Hold and drag on any field and release. Activate the command Structural Members and specify another sketch from the model tree, sketch 2. Okay. Create a three-dimensional sketch or that command 3D sketch. Draw some line. And create another structural member using that command. Change mirror profile and OK. We have welded construction.